Hello, everybody. Mr. Druid here, and I'm coming at you with another amazing video. So today I'm going to be reviewing Section 3 of Chapter 1. This is our last section of our outline, and I'm going to make sure I'm pretty quick with this video because there's not a lot I can say here. The remainder of my information will be talked about in my additional notes video. So if you're watching this, once you're finished reviewing this, getting the answers you need, please go review the additional notes for Section 3 because that's where most of my time and meat of this lesson is going to be coming from. All right, so we have three parts of Section 3. We have the foundations of democracy, citizenship, and the free enterprise system. So let's start off with Part A, the foundations of democracy. Democracies are run by majority rules. That simply means that the majority of people, of the population, make the rules. They are the ones that push public policy through, and they ensure that people are getting what they want. This is the voice of the people. So the majority, so the most amount of people will get their voices heard in a democracy. They also settle their differences by compromise. In a democracy, you need compromise. And again, I'm going to cover both of these in way more detail in my additional notes, so I'm only going to leave it at that. Our next section is citizenship, and citizens in a democracy have a civic duty such as paying their taxes. Citizens also have responsibilities or rights such as voting. The big question here is what's the difference between duties and responsibilities? The best way to put this is that duties you are required to do as a citizen, so you have to pay your taxes. So you have to do a civic duty. But even though it's suggested, you do not have to do a responsibility. You should be doing these things, but you don't have to vote if you really don't want to. It is suggested that you do, but you do not have to. So that is the main difference between the two. So if you need to write that down in your notes right now, definitely do that because that might be helpful. And the last section here is the free enterprise system. Since most of you have already taken econ last semester, this should be super easy. Another name for the American free enterprise system is capitalism. That is the term we are looking for, capitalism. I noticed that a lot of you just repeated American free enterprise system. Well, it's capitalism. Another word for it, and I've had a few students tell me, the free market, and that is also true. But the term we were looking for is capitalism. And in a free enterprise system, the people, not the government, make the last economic decisions. So the people, not the government, decide what happens in a capitalist system or a free enterprise system. Again, I will cover this all in detail in our additional notes. So that is it for this video. Please go ahead and head on to the other video, and I will be ending this in just a second. So as always, please message me if you have any questions, and if you need anything, I'm always here for you. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.